Hello, everyone. Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. Today, I'm sharing with you my signature style shrimp fried rice. If you want to see how I achieve this, then let's do it. Okay, here's the shrimp. This is like 1.5 pounds. And I'm just seasoning them up right now with some Old Bay. I cut each shrimp into 3 pieces. This is onion powder, garlic powder, no salt, ginger powder, getting some flavor on the shrimp, and vegetable seasoning. No salt yet. Give this a little mixing. Next is the oyster sauce. Now this is where the sodium comes in, so don't go crazy with this. This is loaded with sodium. Just a little bit goes a long way. Get this all mixed up. Like I said, each shrimp was cut into 3 pieces. I want a lot of shrimp throughout this rice. Now I'm gonna start with the eggs. That's some oil. This is 3 large eggs. I'm just giving it a little mix before frying. Pull the cooked portion in and let the uncooked portion flow out. That's how you make scrambled eggs. God bless you. They're ready. And then I'm going to use the same pan and oil to just fry down my shrimp for a few moments. In goes the shrimp, same pan. Season the shrimp. Cut into little pieces. So this is going to be really shrimpy. Let this fry for about a minute on each side before taking them out. Okay, it's time to take them out. They're ready. You don't want them to cook too much because they're going to be tough. And there is another step for them. So I'm using the same pan, just a little bit more oil. And now the rice, white rice. This is yesterday's rice. Stale rice is the best rice for fried rice. Okay, so I'm just mashing out all of the clusters right here over medium-high heat. Actually, I'm just toasting the rice, frying it. So you have to keep it moving. Keep it moving. Just like that. You want to smooth it out. Now it's time for the veggies. I'm adding broccoli, bell pepper. I have red and yellow bell peppers, some carrots and garlic, and the top of just the green portion of the scallions. I'll put them in last. Look at this rice. I am bringing the restaurant home here. How that sound? Look at it. Yes, this is a crowd pleaser. This is my signature dish. Shrimp fried rice. What a time. So whenever you have leftover white rice, fry it down. Right here, this is veggie fried rice right here. Now let's season the rice. That's garlic powder, onion powder, ground ginger, vegetable seasoning, and of course the oyster sauce. Now this is where the sodium comes in. Don't add any salt if you're trying to stay away from it. And then soy sauce. So don't go crazy with these two. I would tell you to add them in intervals, because too much is going to ruin the entire pot. So use a little at a time. Look how it's changing the color. Oh, for God's sake, look at that. And that, the broccoli is just giving off a beautiful green color. Look at that. Oh my word, streaks of red. Now it's time for the shrimp. Oh, and I said I cut them into little pieces, so each one was able to give me 3. They were medium size, so it can be shrimpy. Now the eggs. Scrambled eggs. All right. If you don't want eggs, just leave it out. Remember, my recipes are not gospel. Feel free to add, multiply, subtract, or divide. God bless you. This is my signature style right here. Try some for your family today. Melda 242 shrimp fried rice. This right here is a crowd pleaser. Check it out, try it out, and tell me about it. Oh my word. The broccoli are now giving off that beautiful green color. Get a little taste. This is what I'm talking about. It's ready. Now I'm adding in the scallion. I just used only the green portion of it because I'm about the colors today. Just about the colors. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. If you're here for the first time and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. And if you have already subscribed, my name is Melda and welcome to our family. God bless you. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.